Hi, I'm Aaron Delgado. I want to welcome you to the Law Office of Aaron Delgado Associates YouTube page. We've assembled a collection of videos that we think will be helpful for you navigating legal situations. We aim to provide useful, down-to-earth content, helping potential clients navigate everything from a criminal arrest, a divorce, to a personal injury matter. And of course, we like to keep it fun, so you're going to find some legal humor and some kind of zany videos, including some unboxings, interviews with my kids, stuff like that. Because after all, I'm a person just like you, and I've got a quirky side, and I want to put that out there on social media as much as the next guy. So if you or someone you love needs any help navigating a complicated legal situation, whether you've been arrested, injured, or wronged by the negligence of someone else, you've come to the right place. Please take a look around, enjoy the video content. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the link below. But above all, if you need any help, we're only a phone call away, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Aaron Delgado Associates, for over 20 years, helping people just like you fight the fights you can't win on your own.